Whew, it's so hot. Let's make a swimming pool. I found the pool. Let's open it together.
Let's fill the pool first. Hey, it's huge. Let's go in together.
Wow, huge pool. Water is coming. Let's get in together. Wow. Look at all the toys. So colorful.
Splash!
Catch this thing. Got you. 2, 3, J-U-M-P. Yummy watermelon. Best summer ever. Now I am feeling good. Yes, it was fun in a pool. Let's go inside, Mom, to tell Mummy. That was so much fun.
I'm nice and cool now.
I am feeling sleepy now. Yes, me too. Today was amazing.
See you next summer adventure.
Bye, friends. Stay cool and have fun.